Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at basic attention token against its Bitcoin pairing. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit this like button down below, as well as consider subscribing. As you may or may not know, about a week ago, I said that I opened up a position on basic attention token. I bought at around 680 sats, uh, and I've had one order on basic attention token. That's it. Um, I said at this level, the risk is relatively low, and with the anticipation of the bull market, I wanted to get a skin in the game with a mid cap altcoin. I don't think I mentioned that, but that was one of the reasonings as well. Celsius was supposed to be my mid cap altcoin, but it just shot up like a rocket in like 9 months and has become like a top 20, top 25 altcoin. So that's not a mid cap anymore for me. That's pretty that's top 20. So basic attention tokens like top 50 is a mid cap coin. Um, and with its relative price action, I feel like the risk is relatively low in comparison to the reward that I'm hoping to see. Okay, so with that said, here we are on the daily chart. Let me just get a good zoom in here. And for the past week or so, ever since the first week of January, we have been moving sideways. Essentially, the bleeding has stopped, which is great. I think that's great. Uh, and now we are coming to a pattern here where we are making contact with the 20-day. Remember, I said that the 20-day is going to be a theme today. Making contact with the 20-day moving average here. And as I said with other coins, the 20-day moving average isn't a hard and fast rule. But we have seen in the past, for example, here and here, where we did see a somewhat consolidation in price with these two patterns here that eventually ran into the 20-day moving average. And every single time it made contact with it bled. It bled further down. So here we are for the third time in a row, consolidating and making contact. I wouldn't necessarily, we see an instance here where we broke above it. However, we were bleeding and then we pumped, like 15, 30%, like two 15-week daily candles. And we broke above it, but continued to bleed. It wasn't meant to be. So with that said, um, this might be the turning point for basic attention token. Uh, Too early to tell. We haven't even broken it yet, but we're up 3.5% for the day. If we can continue, if altcoins can continue the dominance and gaining on Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin just chills for the next few days, basic attention token can definitely break that, in my opinion. And if that's the case, then um, I would say that the move is going to start soon, and that is and I would say that's perfect timing. I just opened up the position, but never say never. It could definitely get rejected. For example, in my previous video on Bitcoin, if Bitcoin decides to make a higher high from this bounce off the 20-day, then basic attention token is going to continue to bleed, and it's going to go further down. However, considering we're in the Q1, with all the factors around the space right now, I am quite bullish on altcoins. I'm bullish on Ethereum, Chainlink, Uniswap, basic like I am bullish on altcoins, and my portfolio reflects that. Now I still own a considerable amount of Bitcoin, but at at this point, it's um, I if the altcoins move in our favor, then they're definitely going to become the largest portions of my portfolio. Um, and if Bitcoin even stays at the same price, so if that like it's the biggest portion of my portfolio so far. But if Q1 becomes like the Q1 we expected, then yeah, it's going to be my portfolio is going to change and obviously needs restructuring. But I think it shows that I'm quite bullish on altcoins right now. That I have considerable positions in some of these coins. Basic attention token, I don't have a considerable position in. It's about like 2-3% of my portfolio. However, if it moves the way I expect it to move, then that's definitely going to change. We see here that my eventual target is going to be the upper trading channel. If we move on to the weekly, we see that basic attention token during the bull market had consistent highs at this level. So that is my target. That is where I'm hoping it'll go. Naturally, I'll be selling along the way, but a majority of my position is going to be held for this. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.